Na ako karon diri sa Cebu, and Shanta and Nitro have just arrived. We're gonna go on a little holiday in Cebu, tapos Bohol. Hey, amigo!
Hey, picture, amigo!
Sige! We made it to Cebu! You remember Cebu? We can go see the dinosaurs at the big mall. You wanna go? Yeah, in the city?
Yeah, I love to.
Kami Shanta is here, liwat. So we are going to chill out in Cebu for one day and then sa Bohol. Nitro, we're gonna go to Bohol.
Yeah, but why did you got your toys?
Oh yeah, Daddy bought some toys in Manila. We need to sleep here for one night, one sleep. And then,
Why?
because we're gonna sleep here and then tomorrow we go to Bohol.
Yeah, and we're gonna stay here for 1,000.
No, not for 1,000. Daddy's friend is there and Daddy's friend has kids like you can play with.
Yeah, but this here a lot of kids. I'm just one kid.
Yeah. Yes, he has lots of kids. In you go, Nitro. We found a taxi. Tara na. We're gonna sleep in our hotel and we
Yeah, but
can,
why do we have a hotel?
It's not our hotel.
because
we're just renting.
we need somewhere to sleep. We can't sleep on the street. Oh, we made it. Come on, buddy. That's it, Kuya. We'll help you. Jump out. Come on. There you go. Let's go, Nitro. Woohoo.
Is this our hotel?
Yes, this is the hotel. Yeah.
This is our hotel.
Yeah, we're gonna stay here. This is the elevator. Look, we're going. Open the doors. Let's go, Nitro. Woohoo. Oh, all right, we're in room 201. Over this, not that way, silly. This way. Here's our room 201.
Daddy,
All right, yeah.
why can't we sleep on the road?
Oh, go inside, Nitro. This is the hotel, Nitro.
Then we have a bathroom.
Yeah, we have a bathroom as well. You want to shower in here? It's better than the one at our house, hey?
I love this place.
Alright, so the taxi driver is waiting dun sa baba. We're gonna ride in the taxi going SMC side para makikita ni Nitro ang mga dinosaur. Back in the elevator, Nitro. Where are we going today, buddy?
Let's go to the dinosaur.
Dinosaurs! Yeah, let's press the green button, G button. We made it, Nitro! We made it to the city! Let's go see the dinosaurs. The last time Nitro was here was 1 year ago, May 2023. It's May 2024. Exactly 1 year since he last came here. Hey, buddy. We're gonna see the dinosaurs. Whoa, we're at the top now, Nitro. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go
Come
see
on.
the dinosaur.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Where's the dinosaurs, Nitro?
Find the dinosaur.
I think they're over that way. Whoa, it's a big ice skating ring, Nitro. That place, Nitro? Do you remember that one? It's a big playground for kids.
Yeah.
Remember we went there before, last year.
When I was a big boy there and I cried because I want to hug you.
Yeah,
Now
that's
I
right.
have a big huggy wuggy and a little bit big.
Yeah, I remember that.
There's dinosaurs.
It's so close now. It's just around this corner. We walked the wrong way around. We walked the whole way around the top floor. We found it! Look! Whoa! Oh, yay! Big dinosaurs, man.
There's no kids. Why is there's
No kids, it's just you.
Yeah.
What's happening to your ear?
I got the earphones. Here's two of them.
You got your 2 ears on. Woohoo! Let's go. Climb up the stairs.
Huh?
So it's mouth, buddy. That's a big one. It's a T-Rex. Doesn't hurt, see? It's a big sand pit. You can dig and find the dinosaur bones. Go over here. Whoa. Whoa. The shark, look. Alright, put it in there, ready? No, on the other side. Put it here in this one. Oh, try again. You almost got it. And put it here. Go. That's it, open. 2, 3, oh! Whoa! They're moving, Nitro! They're moving! Wow! Whoa, even that one's moving. dinosaurs are alive.
But I don't hear them.
What do you can? They're going roar. Whoa! Whoa! Let's go inside. Whoa.
But Daddy, I want ice cream.
Okay, have some. Very good. All right, it's our little trip to SMC side. All done. Nitro, we're gonna go back to the hotel. And I will be heading to the wedding at Shangri-La tonight. So I'll see you there.
Hey, yo, check my flow.
All right, Nitro fam, naanata diri karon sa Shangri-La, Mactan, Cebu. It's beautiful here. It's super relaxing. Oh, there it is. Let's go. Shangri-La, any sort of Shangri-La sa buong Pilipinas is a great place to get married. Look at this setup. Helipad. All right, we're about to begin. Guests are piling in.
It is the time to eat, ladies and gentlemen, but there are so many of us here tonight that we cannot all go to the buffet at the same time. We have to do this table by table. So what we're going to do is we're going to play a game to decide which table gets to eat first, second, and third. The mechanics are very simple. Our DJ is going to play a song. If you know the name of the song, raise your hand. That's ang kamot, ha? If your answer is correct, your table eats first. However, there's a catch. If your answer is incorrect, your table eats last. Okay, sa huli kayo kung mali ang sagot niyo. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Round one, DJ, first song, let's go! Oh, we have a hand up down the back there. Ready? Count Funk is incorrect! It is incorrect, you guys are going last! Name of the song is?
24K Magic.
That is correct, 24K Magic. For second place, DJ. Oh, yeah. Dancing Queen is correct. The answer is? Despacito is correct. You have redeemed yourselves and going third. Can we have one more round of applause for the bride and groom tonight? Pagbago natin sila. Maraming salamat po. Salamat kayo.